Welcome to my first Goa vlog of the year, and before we get into the video, let me introduce the three main characters driving this vlog. They are Donnie, Noah and Yuki, our three pets with whom we undertook a road trip to Goa from Pune. So let's begin right from the start. That's me in Delhi airport waiting for our flight to Pune, and I'm not gonna waste too much time showing you the journey. So let's just get straight to the day. We started out from Pune. Yeah, see you. Noah! Let me help. Bye! Bye! It's only 7 a.m. now, and this is just the right time to head out for a long trip out of Pune. We've got Yuki in the other car and another dog that we adopted off the streets, and then it's their first time in Goa and we are so excited for them, and also it happens to be my first trip to Goa for this year. We got a little late heading out and now we are stuck in this traffic. The time is 7:30 but the traffic is unrelenting. Donnie, sleeping? Okay. After around driving through the traffic of Pune for over 2 hours, we are finally out of Pune and the landscape looks extremely beautiful. No, not my tea. Not my tea.
No.
And this is a Lindy, right?
Yeah, so we just took him from the streets. We call him Don.
So we're heading into McD now to grab our lunch because Goa is still 5 hours or so away. 195 rupees. Now we must change it. We're still 5 hours away from Goa and we have stopped by at McD to grab our lunch. And as you can see, the day is very scorching, very hot, and we are somehow trying to keep up with the long journey. And it will be like dark by the time we reach Goa. So finally we have reached our destination, and this is Varka in South Goa. It's quite hot outside right now to like go out and indulge in anything, so we are basically staying indoors in this very lovely Airbnb that we found. We have the dogs here with us and they're having a great time. We plan to head out in the evening to the beach to indulge in the sea along with the dogs and probably have our brunch there. Right now, as you can see, we're just enjoying the surrounding area and being indoors. And it's lovely out here, very silent, very calm, and all of us are loving it. It's time to head out to the beach now. It's 5:30 and the beach is only a few minutes walk away from here. We've got the dogs with us. Yeah. The road to the beach is almost empty, so you can take very leisurely walks until you reach the beach. Local dogs here, and our dogs are having quite a hard time dealing with their hounding.
जो इसको ऐसे भौंक रहा था ना, तो डंडा किस लगने लगता है, तो it still is That's how it has survived. Survival skills है वो भी.
फीमेल होगा
एक skateboarder.
कुत्ता पार्टी So this is Carmona Beach and I just cannot wait to watch the dogs go all out playing here at this beach. Like I said earlier, I'm much more excited about the dogs than I am for myself. What? It's time to eat something now. We've been not eating anything all day. Oh God, so funny. So after we came back from Carmona Beach, we decided to head out for our dinner because to sit by the beach with a couple of beers and a serving of prawns on the side is our idea of fancy tonight. For that, we have chosen Binolim Beach because Binolim has a lot of good choice of shacks to choose from, and we have picked the very popular southern deck for tonight. Number of bikes. It looks like everyone has come to southern deck. Okay. Wow, that's nice. I wish I could have taken some pics in there. Right? Remember Ron, that last time we had coming from the beach?
बहुत दिनों के बाद ऐसे जगह पर वो
Looks like you're carrying an infant.
Yeah.
My goodness. Prawns chili fry. Prawns chili fry.
This is the color actually. ऐसा होता है. वो लोग तो पूरा cranberry juice डाला.
I think that was
The cost of
roll
already.
wala.
Think Bradshaw, Cutway.
Oh, this place is now shutting down. It's post 12 a.m.
There's a
Setting
lot
up
of
for South Goa. We're setting out for North Goa. I said setting out for South Goa. Bidding goodbye to this pretty place for this time in South Goa. After 2 days in South Goa, we are now going to the north. This is the south equivalent of Farah Road, man. 1 hour 5 minutes round the journey is state. Man, it's like a full-fledged hotel. Re-entry is allowed. Woo! So now we've come to the end of our video. I hope the ride was a fun one to watch. And in case you're wondering what place that is Hilltop in Vagator, the place we went to party the first day of our stay in North Goa. And yeah, that's it for this video. Stick around and I'll see you soon in my next vlog.